Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to export your project from Lovable Dev to CursorAI. So firstly, open up the project on Lovable Dev which you want to export. So for example, I've got the one here, this one. So what we need to do is, in order to export these on CursorAI, we need to use GitHub. So we need to first connect and sync these to GitHub, then only we'll be able to do it. To do that, simply click on the GitHub icon here, which is on your top there, and then click on Connect GitHub. What you have to do now is simply connect your GitHub and then simply click on Connect Project and then select your organization on your GitHub. You just need to plug in with your GitHub credentials and give the necessary permissions in order to do this. Just get that done, and once you're done, simply install and authorize to get the permissions done. So just do that. Once that's done, so once connected, you will see your GitHub name appears here, and all you have to do is hit on continue and then click on connect and complete the process. Click on transfer, and that's it. So your Lovable Dev will now be synced with GitHub. As you can see, you will get this notification here that it's been connected. And once that's done, next open up your CursorAI. Open up your CursorAI, and then from here choose clone repo. Select clone repo, and once you select clone repo here, choose clone from GitHub. Now select the project that you want to export from Lovable Dev, which is now like available through your GitHub. So all you have to do is select that project and select the project. So once you have selected the project, simply click on it, and that's it. The project will now open up on your CursorAI. Just select the repository destination, and once you have selected that, click on select it, and that's it. As you can see, the project will now open on CursorAI, and that's how you export it.